Hi guys. I know this is weird. Oh, don't judge me, alright? Slenderman Cosplay time. It's been like almost a year. So I've done some TikToks. I'm gonna do some photos after I've done this video. So let's just get straight into the video so I can relax for the rest of the day. It's been a pain. I can hardly like see. So I've been walking around blind for about 4 or 5 hours. Anyway. Let's just sing this song. It's a random encounter song. It's the only Slender song I really know yet. Lost in the Woods by Random Encounters, so I'm planning big things for this cosplay very soon. But yeah, you'll know about that when we get round to that. Might be a while yet, so. Lost in the woods with no map or compass, left in the sea of trees. Can't find my way, I've got no reception, where could I be? I'll head to the north and the facing east, I don't have the slightest clue. Better turn around so the game faces tree and then figure out what I'm supposed to do.
Where'd my poster go? Where has it
As
gone?
long as the street's the same, I'm lost and I've lost my mind. Let's put a spot in the spot where it's easy to find. Listen, I have to leave the trail to guide me outside the woods. They didn't know this because the girls list from the south no one understood.
Wait, what? Who's taking my pages?
Out in the woods and I'm not alone when the sun's quickly going down. There are the trees of the suck and me still walking around. Okay, just because I'd be such a fool, there's nothing at all to fear. Other than the trees in the night and the beam of light and the breathing in my ear.
No, wait! Come back and save me!
Why was the gun to the rest of battle? Could it be something worse? Like a hex or a jigsaw, a wretched stink, or an honest curse? Or something under the arms and hands whose face is as blank as death? Who follows you around and doesn't make a sound? Probably it's just my breath. Woe is a map, how did this get here? And why is dawn a tree? And why do I feel like a person for real is following me? It's you there, I caught you, you're mine now, I got you. There's no escape from me. You're Slender enemy. That's literally it. So yeah, I'm sorry about AJ's voice in the background there. I couldn't find an instrumental, so I was like, we'll just do this one. Oh, and also, since I haven't listened to the song in a while, I kind of forgot like some of the words, so AJ was there to lead me onto the right track there. So thank you guys. I will put all my socials in the description. I'll put this song in the description if you want to check it out. I'm going to be uploading the photos on this video and a couple of TikToks from my old Slenderman that I did and some old Slenderman photos, and then later on when I posted all my Slenderman, not my new Slenderman TikToks, I'll post them in a video as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which I don't know what that is yet, it might be an edit, but until then, see you later, keep rocking, woo!
Alright, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Very good. Go ahead now.
Slender, you can call me Slender, no face dark suit, taking all the children.
The power of Christ compels you.
Does it, Jay?
The power of Christ compels
Is
you.
the power of Christ compelling me? Is that what's happening?
The power of Christ compels you.
Guess what? It's not that compelling.
Jay, you serious?
I'm in grip.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen.
You stay, oh my God, there's nothing I can do. You roll over and under me and I'm on top of you.
and inside out. So hold on or it'll fall down.
You are gonna die. Life is meaningless when you fucking cry. No one gives a shit.
I can tell by the look in your eyes that you're afraid. That's insane. It's cool because flight or fight kicks in when you're in a survival mode. But the fact of the matter is that you will not be surviving today. Isn't that crazy? So you might as well just save yourself the effort.
You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family. You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family. You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family. You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family.
All right, gentlemen. I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn. Very good. Go ahead now. Good golly. Bring it around now. Ladies. Good golly. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Mr. Charlie Puth on keys. All right, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Your turn.
Spartans! What is your profession?